Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create a simple automated to-do list in monday.com. So let's get started. First, open monday.com in your web browser. Over here, click the login button in the upper right corner. After that, sign in using Google or enter your email address. Then select the email if you chose the Google option. Once logged in, look to the left side of the screen for your workspaces. Over here, click the plus sign to add a new board. Then rename the board to to-do list. After that, click create board. Now click on the group title on your board and rename it to to-do list. Then select the default items by clicking the checkbox next to them and hit the delete button at the bottom of the screen. After that, click on add an item and enter your task. Then press enter to add it to the list. Over here, fill out the table by clicking into the blank spaces and add details like assignee, due date, and status. Then, to add more columns, look to the right side of the current columns and click the plus sign. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.